Hi, I'm Elliott from Baratza, and I'm going to show you how to dial in your Encore ESP Pro for filter brew. It's an easy, consistent way to brew a large batch of really tasty coffee. Drip brewing is simple, scalable, and perfect for sharing. Pair it with the Encore ESP Pro's timer, and you've got a morning routine that's fast, clean, and repeatable. You'll need a drip brewer. I'm using Breville's Precision Brewer, a filter. I'm using my mesh filter basket, a scale or scoop, and your Encore ESP Pro. I'm going to be brewing a large pot of coffee, so my brew recipe is 72 grams of freshly ground coffee to 1.1 liter or about 40 ounces of filtered water. Since I'm brewing a full pot, I'll be using the shutoff hopper. My hopper is already installed. To set up yours, insert onto the grind collar, twist until it clicks, and turn the knob to open the flow. With my next grind, I'll be grinding by time, so I don't have to measure out every morning. Just press and go. But first, I'll be using single dose mode to show you how to figure out the right grind time. I'm setting the grind size to 51, right in the middle of the recommended drip brew range, since I'm using a medium roast today. That gives us a medium coarse grind, perfect for most flat bottom brews. Now I'll weigh out 72 grams of coffee. Pour it into the hopper and grind it in single dose mode to see how many seconds it takes to grind. "72 grams took 48 seconds to grind. Using that time, I can set the timer mode to 46 seconds, reducing it by a couple of seconds since a full hopper grinds a bit faster. Now I can grind the same amount every day, no measuring needed. Drop your filter into the brewer, pour into the grounds, and give it a gentle shake to level the bed so the water evenly saturates the grounds. Pour the water into the reservoir. I've measured out 1,152 grams. That's just about 40 ounces. Make sure your carafe is locked in place, then select your preferred brew setting and start. This smells delicious already. Let's pour a cup. This is really good. Berries, rich, chocolatey, yum. Didn't taste exactly how you want? Here's my suggestions. If your coffee's weak or watery, try a finer grind by a setting or two. If it's bitter or sour, go coarser. A muddy bed in your filter is another sign you might be grinding too fine. Even with the drip brewer, small grind adjustments make a big difference. Your roast, water, and machine all play a role, so don't be afraid to dial it in. Need help? Visit us anytime at baratza.com/support and follow us for more brew guides, recipes, and tips. Baratza, well grounded for over 25 years.